Hey, John Caverman here. I'm showing you a video on the Micro 90 for adjustment of the pressure tower location. This is your pressure tower assembly. This guy right here, this is your pressure pin, moves up and down. Now you've got a 17 millimeter bolt right here. You need a 17 millimeter open end wrench to get to. Low profile wrench works better. You probably won't have to do this unless you're switching from two colors down to one or one color up to two. If you notice on the bottom of this plate, there are a couple holes. This pressure tower is for the one color, so it's mounted right in the middle. You have two furthest outside hole locations, which are for two of these if you've got a two color setup. So if you need to move or put another one of these in for two colors, you're going to use the outside holes for 90 millimeter. The other holes in the middle are for different sizing cups, but the 90 standard. So once you put this in and you loosen that screw, this whole thing moves backwards and forwards on a dovetail. And in order for it to be in the right location, you want to have it so that you've got in the front, you got short of 10 millimeters from the front of your cup to the front of the plate. So the way that that works out and lines up right here is, here you can see where this pressure tower is relative to the plate and to the front edge of that pressure tower right now. If I'm looking straight through, I'm at about 8 millimeters. I got about 2 millimeters of clearance with this shaft, which is what moves up and down for the pad. So that is as far forward as I would recommend going. And that's where it should really be set up, because when I fire this machine up, right now I've got, like I showed you, here in the front, short of 10 millimeters, and in the back even less. So this is the measurement I would use. I would set that up so the front of the pressure tower casting is about 8 millimeters out in front of this block, and then tighten up that 17 millimeter, and you should be good.